What's your credit score? If you have no idea or you're too scared to check, you're not alone. But that little number plays a big role in your financial life. It's the difference between approval and rejection, between high interest and good deals. Meet Mandy. She's 34, has a good job, and she's finally ready to buy her first home. Savings? Sorted. Steady income? Sorted. Then, rejection. Why? Her credit score was below 580. Turns out a store account she opened years ago was still marked as unpaid. That one forgotten account killed her chances, just like that. That's what a credit score does. So what exactly is it? Your credit score is a number between 0 and 999. The higher the number, the lower the risk. For lenders, here's a simple breakdown. 0 to 529, poor. 530 to 589, below average. 590 to 649, average. 650 to 699, good. 700 plus, excellent. Banks and lenders look at this number to decide if you qualify for credit and what interest rate you'll get. It's basically your financial CV. So what affects it? Your payment history. Pay late? Score drops. How much credit you use. Maxing out your card? Not a good look. How old your accounts are. The older, the better. Credit mix. A mix of different credit types is better than only one. Too many new applications makes you look like you're in trouble. All right, now, how do you fix it? Pay on time, always. Even if it's just the minimum. Use less than 30% of your credit limit. Keep your old accounts open, unless there's a good reason to close them. Don't apply for too much new credit at once. Check your credit report annually and fix any mistakes. You can request a free report from every major bureau once a year. Do it. It's your financial health checkup. And remember, credit scores don't jump overnight. It's like going to gym for your money. Consistency wins. So don't fear your score. Take control of it. Want to go deeper and build a plan that works? Get your copy of Financial Literacy 101. Our ebook packed with real tips, practical guidance, and South African examples to help you build your financial future. Comment below. Have you ever been shocked by your score? Like if this helped you understand your score better. Subscribe and follow for more practical, no-nonsense money education every week.